Begin with 2 pounds of pearl onions. These little gems are the perfect size for our creamed onions dish. Peel them and set them aside for now. Next, turn your attention to a large saucepan. Melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once the butter is all melted and bubbling, stir in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep stirring until the flour and butter are well combined and have formed a roux. This will be the base of your cream sauce. Now, it's time to whisk in 2 cups of whole milk. Do this gradually to avoid lumps. Once the milk is fully incorporated, it's time to add the seasonings: half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. These will give the dish its distinctive flavor. Once the sauce is seasoned, it's time to add the onions. Pour them into the saucepan, cover it, and let it simmer. Allow the onions to cook for 25 to 30 minutes, or until they're tender. The final step is to stir in half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese is fully melted and well incorporated into the sauce. This will give the dish its delightful cheesy flavor. This dish is best served hot and can be garnished with additional Parmesan cheese if desired. Remember, you can always adjust the recipe to suit your taste. For instance, to reduce the fat content, consider using low-fat milk and a lighter cheese. If you're looking to serve a larger crowd, simply double the ingredients. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to the sauce for an extra touch of flavor. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.